Is it possible to convert a steel spoon into a copper spoon? To find the answer, let us perform this experiment. Take a beaker filled with copper sulfate solution. Place the steel spoon and a copper rod in this beaker. Connect the copper rod to the positive terminal of a battery with the help of a wire. Similarly, connect the steel spoon to the negative terminal of the battery. The copper rod behaves as the anode, that is, positive electrode, and the steel spoon behaves as the cathode, that is, negative electrode. Connect a key in this circuit to control the flow of current. As soon as the key is pressed, current starts flowing through the wire. After a few minutes, switch off the current supply. Remove the spoon from the beaker. What can you see? A thin layer of copper has been deposited on the spoon. How did this happen? This occurs due to a process called electroplating. This process of electrically depositing any desired metal on another object is called electroplating. When the current is switched on, it flows through the circuit. When the current flows through the copper rod, each copper atom loses 2 electrons and forms Cu plus 2 ions, which are released into the electrolyte. These Cu plus 2 ions maintain the concentration of the electrolyte. The 2 released electrons move through the circuit to reach the steel spoon. Hence, the steel spoon becomes negatively charged. Simultaneously, the CuSO4 solution present as electrolyte dissociates into Cu plus 2 ions and SO4 minus 2 ions. The Cu plus 2 ions are attracted by the steel spoon. There they gain 2 electrons and form copper Cu atoms, which are deposited on the spoon. This process continues, and the copper keeps getting deposited on the steel spoon. In this way, the steel spoon gets coated with copper. Metals like iron get rusted easily. Electroplating is done on them to prevent rusting. Bicycle handles and car bumpers are electroplated with nickel or chromium to prevent rusting. Similarly, tin cans actually made of steel are coated with tin to prevent rusting. Electroplating is also done on ornaments to coat them with gold.